Are you struggling to upgrade your old SQL Server Reporting Services reports to work with modern versions? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to tackle this common issue and get your reports up and running smoothly. I totally get it. Upgrading reports can feel like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. It's frustrating when you encounter errors like unknown report version 9.0. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's break down the situation. One user recently asked how to upgrade their collection of older report files for use with the current version of SSRS. They mentioned that while the project upgrades fine, they hit a snag when trying to save reports. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's causing this error? The reports were likely created in SQL Server 2005, which corresponds to that pesky version number. The main namespace in the RDL files indicates they are quite old, and that's where the issue lies. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upgrade those reports and avoid future headaches. Plus, I'll share a valuable resource that can help you further. To begin upgrading the reports, the user should first open the RDL files in a text editor. This will allow them to inspect the XML structure of the files. Next, the user needs to update the XML namespace in the RDL files. They should change the namespace from the old version to the new version that corresponds to the current SSRS. After updating the namespace, the user should also check for any deprecated elements or attributes in the RDL files. This may require consulting the SSRS documentation for the current version. Once the user has made these changes, they should save the RDL files and attempt to open them again in SQL Server Data Tools for business intelligence. Finally, if the user encounters any further issues, they can refer to the official Microsoft documentation for upgrading reports, which provides additional guidance and troubleshooting tips. Fun fact, did you know that SQL Server 2005 was released almost 2 decades ago? It's amazing how far technology has come since then, but it can also make upgrading a bit tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves downloading SQL Server 2012 Express with advanced services. After installing the SSRS report editing tools, they opened and saved the reports, which upgraded the RDL files from the 2005 schema to the 2008 schema. They also mentioned that downloading SSDT BI for Visual Studio 2012 can achieve the same result. Once upgraded, the reports can be opened and edited in SQL Server 2016 tools, which further upgrades them to the SSRS 2016 schema. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves opening the old SSRS report project in Visual Studio 2017. This prompts a migration process. After that, you can open the RDL file in designer mode, which upgrades the report's definition schema. Finally, save the report and you can then open the project file in either Visual Studio 2015 or 2017 with the upgraded schema. Here's a pro tip. Always back up your original RDL files before making any changes. This way, you can always revert back if something goes wrong during the upgrade process. And there you have it. You should now be equipped to upgrade your SSRS reports successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember, upgrading doesn't have to be a headache.